So my dear friends, you may not be very happy with today's video because trading opportunities are limited. Fundamentals are not giving us any clear direction yet, and gold is still struggling for a direction here. As we can clearly see, the market is still trading inside the range. The chart is sideways. But problem with today's chart is that a range has been formed inside the major range. So we have a minor range inside the major range, because we have discussed in the previous videos also that 4600 is going to play a critical role. And as already market has tested 4600 couple of times, so there's a high chance that in the next attempt we will see gold going above 4600. It means that we can look for a buy at breakout. But right now, okay, 4600 is far away, and the breakout is also okay far away. Okay, and right now market is stuck in this particular portion of the market, and in a range bound market, sideways market, the best strategy is buy at support, set a resistance, and when market tests the level too many times, then we look for breakout. But when market is inside the range, okay, then it becomes a little bit difficult to trade because the trading opportunities are not very reliable. Why not very reliable? Because see, if we are trading on major levels like 4600, 4350, it means that there is high volume. For example, if you're buying at support, it means that you are going with a majority. Okay, but when you are entering on the middle of the chart, okay, the volume is difficult to understand, and maximum manipulation also takes place. Okay, anyways, let's discuss the trading opportunities. Let me remove the drawings first. So right now here we can see the market has formed a minor support of 4450 to 4445. 4450 to 4445. Okay, this is the minor support. Right now in this situation, there is a chance that we will see gold taking support around the zone and going up. In this situation, do not expect a complete trend reverse or something like that, because the whole trading concept has changed drastically in the last couple of years because of AI. If you can score a one good candle also, okay, around 50, then also it is good enough. Means one green candle we can expect here as a day trader, it is sufficient for us. Okay. So after exiting from the buy position, okay, if you see the market is consolidating around the support zone, then you can expect a breakdown during the day. Means at first we can expect a minor bounce around the support zone, then we can expect a breakdown. In case market breaks, okay, that's a different story. Okay, but as of now, okay, while recording the video in the Asian session, I feel that there is a possibility of a minor bounce or one candle bounce. After that, if market goes down, we can look for a sell position below the same level. And where is the next support? The next support is far away, 4360 to 4350. Okay, that is the next support. Okay, and I don't think so. Okay, market is going there as of now. Okay, so these are the two opportunities if market goes down from the current level. One more thing I have observed. Okay, for that we need to go to the 15 minutes time frame. See here, we have a minor support. You can see we have a minor support around 4462. See, we have changed the time frame. Lower time frame, low reliability, do not forget. Okay, and already market has taken support around this area 3 times. So during the day, okay, there is also a possibility that market may break the support and go down. If it happens, we can look for a 50 to 70 pips around this area as well. So if you're a day trader, scalper, this is another opportunity that you can take. Now let's go back to the hourly time frame again to understand the levels better. So opportunity number one is we can look for a buy around 45-50 area. Okay, we are not expecting a big reverse or something like that. If it comes, that's a different game. But initially we are just expecting one candle. As a day trader we can score, because it is not possible for anyone, any human being, to predict the market. Okay. Secondly, we are looking for a sell position below the same support of 50.45, because after consolidation there is a possibility of a breakdown, because market will be trying to complete the range, isn't it? Because the major range is this, not this one. And before that, there is possibility that we may also get a selling opportunity below 4462 as well. And my dear friends, if market goes up from here, okay, already we know we have a possibility of buying and breakout above 4600. But you can see that I have also drawn a red arrow here, okay, which is 4540 to 4550. This particular zone is going to cause trouble, because right now I'm still not sure how the market is going to react. So if you see the market is showing price rejection from above, or market is showing signs of reversal, then you can look for a sell position, but be cautious, because this is a minor level. Okay, we don't know how the market will react. In major resistances we expect a reversal, in minor resistances we expect a breakout. But here right now fundamentals are also messed up, okay. Then the technicals are also not very clear. Market is stuck in a range, and inside the range we see another range, okay, baby range. So things are critical. So around 4540, if market shows reversal signs, then we can look for a sell position. Otherwise, okay, if you do not want to take any risk, then leave it, okay. So at the top, we are still expecting a breakout, but if volume is low, we may get another selling opportunity as well. So let's wait and watch. You'll get if anything crazy happens, you'll get an update in the group. And my dear friend, if you want to become a part of our WhatsApp group, premium WhatsApp community, you can open your trading account under our referral. Link is in the description. Bye bye. Take care.